Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You need an active Game Pass plan and the same Microsoft account across devices. Open Windows Update and install pending updates. This ensures the Xbox app and drivers run smoothly. Next, install or update the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store, then launch it. Sign in with your Microsoft account. This links your subscription to the app. Once done, the app will sync your library and entitlements, so you can see downloadable PC titles immediately. Now in the Xbox app, navigate to the Game Pass tab and pick a PC game you want. Click Install and choose the drive and folder, picking an SSD speeds load times. While installing, open settings to confirm GPU, controller, and network preferences. This prevents later performance issues. If you prefer streaming, enable Cloud Play where available. Otherwise, make sure your network allows the required ports and has at least a 10 Mbps steady connection. Once installation completes, to finish, launch the game from the Xbox app and allow any first-run updates or additional downloads. You should sign into the in-game account prompt if requested so saves and achievements sync. Connect your Xbox controller or other accessories and enable overlays like Xbox Game Bar for screenshots and performance metrics. If the game won't start, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, update the Xbox app and Windows, and verify game files or reinstall. This resolves the majority of launch and entitlement problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.